The Galaxy S24 Ultra's display has undergone modifications. These are two of the device's first appearances, the rear and one of the front. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, as this picture shows, will have one of the tiniest bezels available. Ice Universe revealed that the S24 Ultra will have the biggest main frame and the thinnest bezels. The central frame is 1.85 millimeters, the thickest in history, but the bezel measures only 1.52 millimeters. He applied this to the central frame and display bezels in addition to the display bezels, which are now plainly made of titanium. Additionally, he advises against purchasing the black S24 Ultra model because it will make your bezels appear to be 3.4 millimeters. This S24 Ultra phenomenon can be attributed to a few factors. Initially, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's central frame is enlarged due to the flat display. Additionally, symmetrical bezels were visible thanks to the flat display, and they look fantastic on the S24 Ultra. Now that the official S24 Ultra renders have been released, all confusion regarding the color options has been cleared up. However, one thing is missing from these renders: no Galaxy S24 Ultra model has black outer bezels. Even the black model has a slightly gray bezel rather than a completely black one. The other color options are titanium yellow, titanium violet, and titanium gray. All color options were supposed to have a matching middle frame on the S24 Ultra. Additionally, there are 3 exclusive color options: green, blue, and orange. The latest AI features certified by Ice Universe for the Galaxy S24 Ultra camera indicate that the camera is becoming better. Ice Universe claims that the Galaxy S24 Ultra's new camera software is gradually getting better. He didn't specify which camera is better, though the telephoto sensor was previously performing very poorly. It appears that Samsung is fixing the 5x 50 megapixel on the S24 Ultra at 10x zoom, but he is still concerned about the S24 Ultra's 100x zoom. He also added that the AI of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is different from what you see, as all Samsung employees are working overtime to engage in AI, so that the camera, which is currently very important, has become less important. The 17th of January is the confirmed date of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's official debut. After the event, you may place a pre-order for the phone. It will go on sale on January 30th. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.